Coco, look, Coco, they're both scared.
They've got big fluffed up tails. It's like when my flatmate used to chase the cat.
Hello.
They're not that scared.
Hello.
Well, Nico's in grabbing distance now. He might get clawed.
Hello.
He will not eat them.
No, worry about the dog getting clawed. Oh, this is nice.
Wow.
You said that they were interested in other features, and the dogs. Look at the dog's tail.
See, he's more scared. He's a scaredy cat, seriously. Literally. See?
Yeah, because they are very friendly, these cats, so...
Ridiculously friendly. They look like two lions about to attack them.
Yeah.
Same colour.
That's so funny.
But like, in general, a cat will beat up a dog unless it's just trained to kill cats. I'm filming it for YouTube.
Okay, that's new, but all good.
Oh, Nico looks scared.
So your sister
Who's
is
dead?
not a cat, or has a cat?
No, she still has it, but she's now in the States.
Okay.
With the Yorkie. But yeah, Nico and Percy, they used to love each other. So they used to play, and whenever she used to get fed up with him, she just used to slap him.
Yeah.
And then it'd be like, he'll go away.
He's so nice. Look, he's just like
Very well behaved,
letting them inspect him. Coco, Jack, really lindo, really
Nico's very good, huh?
lindo,
Yeah, me.
really lindo.
Uh-oh, now you're playing with
Coco.
mummy.
No, yeah, no, he's just very jealous though.
Doesn't want you playing with, well, the cats are jealous too. But, and the curiosity, as they say.
Kill the cat.
Well, maybe,
But
but
they still have 8 lives anyway, so it's so good. No?
Wow, it must be strange for them.
yeah, they've never seen another animal in their life.
Coco, really lindo.